Alone in Kyoto is mostly played with the capo on fret 5, although in the final part of the song, the capo should be moved down to fret 3. Hold an A minor chord with the middle finger on fret 2 of string 4, ring finger on fret 2 of string 3, and index finger on fret 1 of string 2. Play strings 5, 4, 3, 2. Pull off the index finger from fret 1 of string 2, then lift the ring finger from fret 2 of string 3 and play string 3 open. Play string 4, then move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 3 and play string 3. Hold a C chord with the ring finger on fret 3 of string 5 and the middle finger on fret 2 of string 4. Keep the index finger raised for now. Play strings 5, 4, 3, 2. As soon as string 2 is played, hammer on the index finger to fret 1 of string 2 and then pull off the index finger. Play string 3 open, then move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 4 and the ring finger to fret 2 of string 3. Play string 4, 3. Bar 3 is the same as bar 1. Hold a variation of the C chord with the ring finger on fret 3 of string 5, middle finger on fret 2 of string 4, index finger on fret 1 of string 2, and little finger on fret 3 of string 1. Play strings 5, 4, 3, 1. Pull off the little finger from fret 3 of string 1. Play string 2, then pull off the index finger from fret 1 of string 2. Move the ring finger back to fret 2 of string 3 and play string 3. Bars 1 to 4 are repeated 4 times. Here's part 1. Throughout part 2, the middle finger holds fret 2 of string 3 and the little finger holds fret 3 of string 2. With the fingers held down on these frets, move the index finger to fret 1 of string 6 to form the F major 13 chord. Play string 6, 1, 3, 2. Let string 2 ring for a quarter note, then play string 1, 3, 2. Move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 6 to form the G6 sus2 chord. Play string 6, 1, 3, 2. Let string 2 ring for a quarter note, then play string 1, 3, 2. Lift the ring finger from fret 3 of string 6. Play string 5, 1, 3, 2. Let string 2 ring for a quarter note, then play string 1, 3, 2. Play string 4, 1, 3, 2. Let string 2 ring for a quarter note, then play string 1, 3, 2. Bars 21 and 22 are the same as bars 17 and 18. Play string 5, 1, 3, 2. The note doesn't continue ringing for a quarter note in this bar, so move straight on to play string 3, 1, 3, 2. Play string 3, 1, 3, 2 twice. Bars 25 to 29 are the same as bars 17 to 21. Move the ring finger back to fret 3 of string 6 and play string 6, 1, 3, 2. Let string 2 ring for a quarter note, play string 1 and then 3 twice. Keep holding fret 2 of string 3 and play string 5 open. These notes should ring for 2 bars. Here's part 2. Part 3 and Part 4 are played in the same way as Part 1 and 2. At the end of Part 4, keep holding the ring finger on fret 2 of string 3 and play string 5 open. The difference here is that in Part 4 the note should ring for 3 bars, whereas in Part 2 they only rung for 2 bars. At the very end of Part 4, move the capo down from fret 5 to fret 3. Here's Part 3 and Part 4. Part 5 is played at a slower tempo, and the capo should have been moved down to fret 3 at the end of part 4. Hold the middle finger on fret 2 of string 4 and play strings 6 and 4 together, then string 2. Move the index finger to fret 1 of string 6, the middle finger to fret 2 of string 3, and the little finger to fret 3 of string 2. Play strings 6 and 3 together, then string 2. Move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 6 and play strings 6 and 2 together, then string 1. Move the index finger to fret 1 of string 6, the middle finger to fret 2 of string 3, and the little finger to fret 3 of string 2. Play strings 6 and 2 together, then string 3. Hold the middle finger on fret 2 of string 4 and play strings 6 and 2 together, then string 4. Keep the middle finger held down on fret 2 of string 4, move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 5 and the little finger to fret 3 of string 2 to form the C add 9 chord. Play the middle 4 strings as an arpeggio, move the index finger to fret 2 of string 3 and play string 3. Keep the little finger on fret 3 of string 2, move the index finger to fret 1 of string 5 and the ring finger to fret 3 of string 4 to form the B flat 6 chord. Play the middle 4 strings as an arpeggio, then string 4. Return to the C add 9 chord and play the middle 4 strings as an arpeggio, then play string 3 open. Keep the little finger on fret 3 of string 2, move the index finger to fret 1 of string 5 and the middle finger to fret 2 of string 3 to form the B flat major 7 chord. Play the middle 4 strings as an arpeggio, then play string 4 open. Return to the C add 9 chord and play the middle 4 strings as an arpeggio, then string 3 open. Return to the B flat 6 chord and play the middle 4 strings as an arpeggio, bar the index finger across fret 2 on the top 5 strings, and play string 3. Hold the ring finger on fret 4 of string 4 and the little finger on fret 4 of string 3 to form the B sus2 chord. Play the middle 4 strings as an arpeggio. Here's part 5.